Have you ever wondered how some people seem to live in a different reality than you? How they manifest their desires effortlessly, while you struggle to make ends meet? How they experience joy, peace and prosperity, while you face challenges, stress and lack? If you have, then you are not alone. Many people are unaware of the power they have to create their own reality. They believe that reality is fixed and objective, and that they have no control over it. They accept whatever life throws at them, without questioning or challenging it. But what if I told you that reality is not fixed and objective? What if I told you that reality is subjective and malleable? What if I told you that you can change your reality by changing your assumptions? Today, I'm going to share with you a powerful tool that will transform your life and lead you towards manifesting abundance. It's called the law of assumption. The law of assumption is the understanding that our assumptions shape our reality. What we believe to be true becomes our truth. So, if you want to manifest money and abundance, you need to shift your assumptions. Step 1. Define your desired reality. Imagine yourself living a life of financial prosperity. Visualize it vividly with all the details, emotions, and experiences that come with it. Step 2. Utilize positive affirmations. Repeat empowering statements such as, "I am open to receiving endless financial opportunities," or "Money flows easily and effortlessly into my life." These affirmations will send positive signals to the universe. Step 3. Release any limiting beliefs. Let go of any doubts or negative thoughts about money. Shift your mindset to one of unwavering belief in your ability to attract wealth. Step 4. Take inspired action. Manifestation requires taking active steps towards your goals. Seek opportunities, explore new avenues, and embrace challenges that align with your desired reality. Shifting is the art of visualizing and experiencing your desired reality. It encompasses various senses, such as sight, sound, touch, smell, and taste. Shifting can be done consciously or unconsciously, and it can happen in various degrees of intensity. Some people shift partially, meaning they are aware of their current reality while experiencing glimpses of their desired reality. Others shift fully, meaning they completely immerse themselves in their desired reality and lose awareness of their current reality. Shifting is not a new concept, it has been practiced for centuries by various spiritual traditions and mystics. Shifting is based on the premise that reality is subjective and malleable. According to this view, reality is not fixed or objective, it is a reflection of our beliefs, thoughts, feelings, and expectations. Therefore, by changing our inner state, we can change our outer state. This is where the law of assumption comes in. The law of assumption is a universal principle that states that whatever you assume to be true, becomes true for you. It is similar to the law of attraction, but it goes beyond attracting things or events. It is about becoming the person you want to be. Neville taught that the secret to manifesting your desires is to assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. In other words, you have to feel as if you already have what you want, and act as if it is already yours. Neville said that feeling is the secret to creation. He said that feeling is not an emotion, but a state of consciousness. A state of consciousness is a combination of your thoughts, beliefs, attitudes, and emotions that define your identity and your reality. By changing your state of consciousness, you can change your reality. Neville also said that there are infinite realities or parallel universes that exist simultaneously. He said that every possible scenario or outcome that you can imagine already exists in one of these realities. He called these reality states. He said that you can access any state by aligning your state of consciousness with it. Neville used the analogy of a radio to explain how shifting works. He said that each state is like a radio station that broadcasts a specific frequency. To tune into a station, you have to adjust your radio dial to match its frequency. Similarly, to tune into a state, you have to adjust your state of consciousness to match its frequency. Neville said that the most effective way to do this is to use your imagination. He said that imagination is the faculty that allows you to create and experience any reality you desire. He said that imagination is not just a mental activity, it is a creative power that shapes your world. Neville taught various techniques to use your imagination effectively, such as scripting, affirmations, visualization, meditation, and revision. However, he emphasized that the most important thing is not the technique itself, but the feeling that it produces. He said that feeling is the bridge between imagination and reality. He also said that feeling is not something that you generate or force, it is something that you catch or receive. He said that feeling is a gift from God or your higher self that reveals your true nature and potential. He said that feeling is the evidence of things not seen, it is the substance of things hoped for. Neville's teachings are profound and empowering, but they can also be challenging and confusing for some people. That's why I want to share with you a simple technique that I believe can help you fully shift and manifest your desired reality with ease and joy. The Game Changer Technique. The technique consists of 3 steps. 1. Choose your desired reality. 2. Enter into a relaxed state. 3. Feel as if you are already there. Let's go over each step in detail. Step 1. Choose your desired reality. The first step is to choose your desired reality. This can be anything you want, a fictional world or character, an alternative version of yourself or your life. A specific goal or outcome. The only limit is your imagination. However, there are some guidelines to help you choose wisely. Choose something that excites you and makes you happy. Choose something that resonates with your core values and purpose. Choose something that challenges you and inspires you to grow. Choose something that feels natural and believable for you. Choose something that is specific and clear. For example, let's say you want to shift to a reality where you are a successful online entrepreneur who owns multiple profitable businesses and attracts wealth effortlessly. This is a great example of a desired reality because it meets all the criteria above. Once you have chosen your desired reality, write it down in a positive and present tense statement. For example, I am a successful online entrepreneur who owns multiple profitable businesses and attracts wealth effortlessly. This statement will serve as your intention or affirmation that will guide your shifting process. Step 2. Enter into a relaxed state. The second step is to enter into a relaxed state. This is crucial because it allows you to access your subconscious mind, which is the part of your mind that creates your reality. The subconscious mind is like a computer that runs on programs or beliefs that determine your thoughts, feelings, actions, and results. Most of these programs are installed in your childhood and are influenced by your family, society, culture, education. Some of these programs are positive and supportive, but others are negative and limiting. These programs create resistance or blocks that prevent you from shifting to your desired reality. To overcome these blocks, you need to enter into a relaxed state where your conscious mind or the critical factor is bypassed or suspended. This way, you can reprogram your subconscious mind with new beliefs that align with your desired reality. There are many ways to enter into a relaxed state, such as breathing deeply and slowly, listening to soothing music or sounds, meditating or praying, hypnotizing yourself or using guided hypnosis, doing yoga or stretching, taking a warm bath or shower, reading a book or watching a movie, doing something creative or fun. Choose whatever method works best for you and do it for at least 15 minutes or until you feel calm and relaxed. You can also use affirmations or mantras to help you relax, such as, I am calm and relaxed. I am peaceful and serene. I am safe and secure. I am ready to shift. The goal is to reach a state of alpha or theta brainwaves, which are associated with deep relaxation, creativity, intuition, and imagination. In this state, you are more receptive and suggestible to new information and impressions. Step 3. Feel as if you are already there. The third and final step is to feel as if you are already in your desired reality. This is the most important step because it is what activates the law of assumption and triggers the shifting process. To feel as if you are already there, you need to use your imagination to create a vivid and realistic scene that implies that your desire is already fulfilled. This scene should involve all your senses and emotions, as well as any details that make it more believable for you. For example, if you want to shift to a reality where you are a successful online entrepreneur who owns multiple profitable businesses and attracts wealth effortlessly, you could imagine a scene where you are checking your bank account online and seeing a huge amount of money in it. You could also imagine receiving emails from happy customers who praise your products or services, or getting interviewed by a famous podcast host who admires your work. As you imagine this scene, feel the emotions that you would feel if it were true right now. Feel the joy, gratitude, satisfaction, confidence, pride, freedom, abundance, etc. that come with being a successful online entrepreneur. Feel as if it is happening right now in this moment. As you feel these emotions, repeat your intention or affirmation in your mind or out loud. For example, I am a successful online entrepreneur who owns multiple profitable businesses and attracts wealth effortlessly. You can also add other affirmations that support your desire, such as, I am worthy of wealth and success. I am attracting money easily and consistently. I am providing value to millions of people. I am living my dream life. The key is to feel as if it is already done, not as if it will happen in the future or as if it is possible or probable. Feel as if it is certain and inevitable. Do this for at least 10 minutes or until you feel completely immersed in your desired reality. You can also do this for longer periods of time if you want to increase the intensity and effectiveness of the technique. You can also do this technique multiple times throughout the day or night, especially before going to sleep or after waking up. These are the times when your subconscious mind is most active and receptive. The more you do this technique, the more you will impress your subconscious mind with the feeling of your desired reality. This will create a bridge between imagination and reality, between the invisible and the visible, between the inner world and the outer world. As Neville said, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled in all things. What to expect after doing the technique. After doing this technique, you may experience some signs or symptoms that indicate that you are shifting to your desired reality. Some of these signs are: you may feel a sense of detachment from your current reality, as if you are observing it from a distance or as a spectator. This is a sign that you are detaching from your old identity and aligning with your new one. You may notice synchronicities or coincidences that relate to your desired reality, such as seeing numbers, words, images, or people that resonate with your intention. These are signs that you are on the right track and that the universe is responding to your vibration. You may experience vivid dreams or lucid dreaming that reflect your desired reality, such as dreaming of being in your desired location, having your desired wealth, or interacting with your desired characters. These are signs that you are accessing your desired reality in the astral plane and that it is becoming more real to you. You may feel a surge of energy, excitement, joy, or gratitude that fills your entire being. These are signs that you are embodying the feeling of the wish fulfilled and that you are attracting your desired reality with ease and grace. You may encounter challenges, obstacles, or resistance that seem to contradict your desired reality, such as facing financial difficulties, losing clients, or having doubts. These are signs that you are testing your faith and that you need to persist in your assumption until it becomes natural to you. Remember, mastering the law of assumption takes practice and patience. It may not happen overnight, but with consistency and belief, you'll begin to see astounding changes in your financial prosperity. In conclusion, you have within you the power to manifest the life of your dreams. By shifting your assumptions using the law of assumption, you can attract abundance, including financial prosperity, into your life. So if you are ready to learn how to use your imagination to create the life you want, stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And remember, you are not living in a material world. You are living in a world of imagination. If you want to learn more about how to use these tools effectively, check out my manifestingreality.com website where you can find more tips, stories, resources, and products that will help you create your dream reality. If you're keen to delve deeper, consider joining the free course, Hack Your Subconscious Mind with Switchwords, and connecting with a community of like-minded individuals on our free Facebook group Switchwords Miracles and Reality Creation. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe for more empowering insights. Stay tuned for more empowering content that empowers you to unlock your fullest potential and create the life of your dreams. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are the creator of your own reality. You can shift to any reality you want. You just need to reprogram your subconscious mind. I would love to hear from you and support you on your journey. Until next time, happy shifting.